Structures of Modification Focus on Adverbs and Adjectives. Now before we start, let us first know these words. First, modification. Modification is the grammatical tie that exists, for example, between an adjective and its noun, or a verb and its adverb. Second, adverbs. Adverbs are words or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or another adverb, or a word group, expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. For example, gently, quiet, then, and there. Lastly, adjectives. Adjectives are words or phrase naming an attribute added to or grammatically related to a noun to modify or describe it. Now the question is, what are the structures of modification? The structural grammar is particularly useful for indicating structures of modification. Modification is the grammatical tie that exists, for example, between an adjective and its noun, or a verb and its adverb. But structural diagrams can also indicate clearly what we intuitively feel when we construct sentences.
Adjective as head. Adjectives that habitually modify a noun or verb also become the head of the structure of modification. A. Qualifier as adjective modifier. A word that modifies an adjective is called a qualifier. Words like very, rather, enough, and others are qualifiers. Example, she is very pretty. The sound was loud enough. B. Adverb as adjective modifier. An adverb that modifies an adjective ends in ly or ly. Example, the wildly famous singer. If an adjective comes after the linking verb, the adverb no longer modifies the adjective. The adjective functions as the modifier of the structure of complementation. Example, the house seems clean everywhere. Her voice always sounds perfect.
As adjective modifier. In some special expressions, noun can modify adjective. Example, stone cold, coffee, sea green, cloth.
Verb as adjective modifier. An adjective can be modified by a verb, present participle form, ing or ing.
That usually precedes the adjective, or by the infinitive that allows the adjective. Example, freezing cold, boiling hot, hard to say, good to see.
Adjective as adjective modifier. In special expressions, an adjective can modify another adjective. Example, icy cold, dark blue, and deathly pale. Prepositional phrases as adjective modifiers. Prepositional phrases that function as adjective modifiers usually follow the adjective. Example, easy on the eyes, good for nothing, stronger than ever. Adverb as head. There are 4 class words that can modify the adverb. A. Qualifiers as adverb modifier. Example, very easily, rather slowly, happily enough. B. Adverbs as adverb modifier. Example, far away and sometimes below.
Noun as adverb modifier.
Example, a meter away and some way up. B. Prepositional phrases as adverb modifier. Example, away for a week, behind his work, and outside in the cold.